Thanks for joining our Agrimaster tutorial. Today I'll be going through how to reverse EFT payments. Let's jump right in. So from the Agrimaster home screen, we're going to Cashbook and then Transactions. And so let's say we want to move a record here back to the EFTs. So we'll select this one. And maybe I want to move this EFT back to either amend the invoice or if I want to process the EFT as a batch payment with other EFT payments. So what I'll do is I'll select the record first and then click Move Record Back to EFT. And then we'll be prompted to see if we want to do it again. I'll just click Yes. And it'll ask me if I want to access the EFT screen now. If I had other payments I wanted to move back to the EFT screen, I could click No and move them back. But because this is the only record, I'll just click Yes. And now we're at the EFT screen and we can see that the transaction here has been moved back. And so from here, I can go in and process this EFT if I need to, or amend it, which we'll discuss in our further videos. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you need more information, please have a look at our help articles or book a one-on-one consultancy and training session with our team. All are linked in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Have a great day.